Okay, so when I heard it, I had to run back in and grab my phone. Um, so I don't know if you heard that, but it was audible. There was an audible sound of coyotes packing up, ganging up, and getting down on a kill, and then coy wolves coming in and stealing it. I don't know if you heard that, but when it went quiet, that's when the coy wolves would come in and push them off the kill. Um, it was too far away for me to have to deal with, and I'm kind of getting ready for bed. But hey, man, did you hear that? That was. Go outside and listen at night if you're in the South. We have what's called coy wolf. It's a hybrid wolf. It's a timber wolf that bred with a coyote. Gnarly. Um, Sometimes when coyotes are desperate, or if they get rabies or some kind of disease, or too desperate, when times are tough, they'll come at you. But it's rare. It's super rare. Coy wolves, on the other hand, they'll get all up in your business. They'll come into your yard. They don't. They're not scared. They're a lot more wolfy. You can hear them. That was cool. I hope you heard that. I don't know.